These are my pork, prawn and Chinese chive dumplings. Traditionally, we would make them during Chinese New Year's Eve. To the minced pork, add prawns and Chinese chives. If you don't have Chinese chives, you can use spring onions or celery. Next, add the light soy, sugar, salt, white pepper, sesame oil, corn flour, chicken powder and oil. Mix well to combine. Now get your wrapper. Add some mixture into the middle of the wrapper and wet the edges with water. Fold it into a half moon shape and seal together. Finally, pleat the edges. Cook the dumplings in boiling water until the dumplings float on the surface. Then add some cold water and wait for it to boil again. Repeat this process 3 times until the dumplings are cooked. For the dipping sauce, mix together light soy sauce, Chinkiang Chinese Vinegar, sesame oil, ginger and spring onion. To serve, use a slotted spoon to remove the dumplings from the water. Place in a bowl and serve with the dipping sauce.